A quick walkthrough from previous, last time we come, all the stud walls were here. We've now cleared it back to brick, all the external ways. Chimney breast next door is due to go. Measurements are all done, so we're good for all three rooms this side, one room on the far side. In terms of going back to brick, we've arranged a structural surveyor to come out next week. He's coming Monday, so all this will be cleared. It was more just to identify any issues prior to commencing the build. It's currently going through prior approval at the minute. So certain things we found is obviously quite a big damp patch here. There is a corner column steel here, and there is a few more issues next door above one of the windows. So just the brickwork is a bit out of sync here, which hopefully the structural survey will shed a bit more light on. Also found a bit of dry rot down in this corner. Again, the survey will kind of tell us how to remediate that. And other than that, brickwork, everything looks in quite good nick. Only other thing is this chimney breast. So the roofers are due on the 22nd. They're going to take the redundant chimney breast out above, with the view that we can then take this chimney breast out to add more space to this bedroom, and then the plan is to potentially go out over the stairs to get more, another 3 square metres